TGI Fridays, baked potato skins, cheddar and bacon. My mouth is watering at the sight of these. I know the lighting in here is terrible right now. You can also hear Fortnite in the background. But I'm gonna taste these fucking things. Now, first off, there's a pretty big problem with keeping the cheese in here. This is unsat TGI Fridays. This is unsat. This is the time when you literally just get a mouthful of cheese. Not like there's anything wrong with that, but I can already tell this is a lot of potato. This is a lot of potato and not that much cheese. But I'm going to start off with this one right here. You can see there's already, the cheese like went all to one side, the side facing towards you. I'm going to take a bite of it. Hopefully I can orgasm. Well, hopefully hopefully it's amazing. One more bite, just to make sure. It's a lot of potato, not enough cheese and bacon. For the price, I guess it's worth it. But only if you can't afford anything better. It's not terrible. It could be filled a lot more. You know what I mean? So, I mean, this is another one right here. The cheese is only on one side. The fuck? The fuck is this shit? This is probably the only decent one I got. Sorry the lighting is so bad. I might try to brighten this video up a little bit before I upload it. But this one is probably the best one I got. But still, it's a crazy amount of potato. Not enough cheese and bacon. I'd probably give it 4 out of 10. Because I've had better. The only reason I'm giving it 4 is because the cheese ain't bad. When I eat the cheese hanging off of it by itself, it tastes pretty good. Another reason I'm only giving it 4 stars, or why I'm even giving it 4 stars instead of like 1 or 2, it's for the price. I guess it's worth it. It's not that expensive. So yeah, this was TGI Fridays baked potato skins with cheddar and bacon. Buy them as a last resort. That's my opinion. Yeah.